Camera?
Yeah.
Okay. This is SIPA?
Yeah.
SIPA only?
Auto setup. Yeah.
Okay.
You can just give me 2 minutes. I'll just set
How
it
you on?
using this on off switch.
On. Okay.
She talked about this one.
I'll
SIPA.
CPAP
Using
or
SIPA, then
AutoPAP. AutoPAP means machine will automatically adjust the pressure. If you
So
select
CPAP.
AutoPAP,
okay.
you'll put the max pressure and minimum pressure. Okay. So in auto CPAP, what you're doing is you're putting the minimum and maximum, and the machine is automatically adjusting the pressure. If you want fix
SIPA.
CPAP, yes. So for fix, you have to go like
Both.
Yeah.
Okay.
so you go here,
Okay.
CPAP,
Then
then put the pressure.
pressure and what else?
That's it. In
Pressure.
CPAP, if you put say 10, okay, then this is all the other settings. Okay, this is okay. So you go back, you start. Now if you see, it's C.
That is means
C means CPAP.
CPAP.
So it will start from the ramp and go till 10 because it's a C fixed CPAP. So it will give fixed pressure. Okay, see is now it's increasing because you put 10. If you put auto CPAP, it will automatically adjust. Okay, to stop, use this. To change, again as I said, here. Okay, auto CPAP. In auto CPAP, you'll put minimum and maximum. So minimum, if you want to increase, you increase it like say 6. Okay, so start from 6. ramp
Ram
pressure.
is you mean pressure.
Yeah, ramp means when you put sometimes CPAP, suddenly if you put higher pressure, it will be problem for the patient.
It is
So
like a regulator something.
Yeah,
right?
kind of slowly increasing the pressure.
Regulator.
So now if you see, now if I put, see now it starts from 3.5. Slowly,
Up.
slowly it will increase. Yeah. If I remove ramp, so now see if you see the ramp key is gone, now directly it will go to 6. Okay. If I put ramp, this ramp, it will go down.
What is the symbol of ram?
This one. Ramp is this, like this. The pressure is increasing.
Okay.
Okay. And next thing is here. This is the water. So if you want more heat, increase it. Okay. If you want, so keep it on 4 normally. So there's it.
Up to the
Up
range?
to 10.
4 to 10?
Yeah. No, like it's 1 to 10. You
That
can
is
put
what?
off.
Heat.
Heat. Yeah. For the water.
Temperature you mean?
Okay.
Yeah. So if you put 4,
What is the normal?
4 to 5 is. You can start with that. If you feel that the patient is getting more dry air, then increase it. Okay. And to stop,
You can stop.
okay. And
So
this
what
will
is that
indicate here,
water marker drop?
The same one for this one.
That's water.
Okay. This is the information how long you use the machine. And this is the leak, if leak is on or not. Okay.
So the tubing, you have to connect the tubing.
Yeah, to connect the tubing, connect it to the mask. The patient, and connect the CPAP.
This is what this Bluetooth is there and connection we can
Yeah,
connect.
means
them.
the machine is actually storing the patient data. When you connect it to the patient data is stored that you can retrieve it through the card or connecting it to the system. So around 1 year data it will store, but you are using it on different patients here. So
How we can clean this machine? Same.
cleaning
Cleaner?
instructions, I'll do one thing. I'll send you a proper. There is a manual here. And all the cleaning instructions will be mentioned in here. This is in Arabic, so.
Now, for example, that one Bercon, we are soaking it. So how many minutes it will
Do one thing. We'll open one.
It's like reusable, no?
Yeah.
Or we can send to CSSD
You
for the cleaning.
Ask them to clean it.
Huh?
Ask them to clean it. But I'll send you a proper cleaning instructions.
Anyway, there will be no more damage, huh?
Yeah. If you want, they've given some cleaning instructions. Okay. You cannot use hard It's a normal cleaning only. So using some dishwasher and all, and not so hard chemicals. Okay. So, but I think your CSSD will have cleaning instructions on this.
Yeah, they should know also how
Yeah,
to
you
clean.
can send
Maybe
this
it will be
manual.
damaged, no?
Yeah,
Yeah.
send the manual along with this,
Oh.
and then they can use it. Okay.
I will send to Kano. Autoclaving.
So, but you cannot autoclave this for sure.
No, that means that is
Yeah, this is the cleaning.
Okay.
Okay. So, and that's it. So,
Off.
now it's off.
That's off now?
Yeah, to turn it on, press this.
Okay.
So mask leak is there, then connect the mask. And start.
Now on.
This key means ramp on.
So that means once this machine is with the patient, means applied only, then only we can on it.
Yes. Or before that you can on and then connect it, no problem. Once it detects that there is a breathing, it will automatically start. But main thing for you is to select the mode, either auto CPAP or fixed CPAP. So if you want to go for fixed CPAP, press this.
Long press.
Both. You can try if you want to try.
Press home and
No.
Press the ramp
That one.
the
and
ramp.
settings.
Yeah.
This is the settings button. Okay. So
yes, settings button and
and here CPAP
CPAP.
or auto CPAP.
Auto CPAP. Then selection how? Selecting?
This one.
Okay.
So now see if you want from auto
I want
CPAP to
EPAP.
CPAP,
CPAP.
press this. And it will ask how much pressure. Then it will ask I ramp, what is the ramp pressure, and compliance, comfort compliance, intelligence sync.
And this doctor should
Okay.
put
And
all
that's
these
it.
things.
And now if you start,
Settings.
now see it's ramp. Okay. I remove the ramp, it will go to around 10.
Because you kept 10.
Yeah. Now it's a fixed CPAP. It will not change the pressure. If you put 10, it will give 10. It can go up to 20.
Ramp we always need to press or it will automatically it will no.
When you start,
This
it
is
starts
the
with
ramp sign.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
If it is
See, if
not
you-
there,
See now, if
now
I
there is
start the
no
machine,
ramp.
it goes on the ramp.
Ramp. If we can off by
Yeah.
pressing it.
First press.
Now there is no ramp.
It will directly go to 10. Okay.
Because you said 10.
Yes.
Because you said 10.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
fine.
But if I now see if I turn it off, okay, and I go to settings, okay, I change it to auto CPAP. Then you see it will ask me for
Select.
maximum pressure, minimum pressure. When you're okay with this, you come back, you start. Now if you see it's an auto CPAP. Okay, so if I remove ramp and go to 6. Okay, and then it will increase as per the patient demand. But I feel in this situation sometimes if you want to fix CPAP, better to put it on CPAP mode.
Okay.
You want to try?
It's okay.
Try it.
You just try putting the settings and all this stuff.
Because it will be forgotten one. Like composer, there is
So if we need oxygen, we will connect the TPs here.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
The room.
If we need oxygen,
Yeah.
we'll connect TPs here
Yes.
and we will connect that with the
Oxygen.
oxygen.
Yeah. Only thing is the machine will not measure FiO2 because the machine is not having any facility. to
So that
Only the
TPs, how
pressure.
we will get that TPs connection?
you,
from
you don't have a TPS here?
that
We
normal
have that-
TPs, normal TPs?
Yeah,
Is thermometer?
It's okay.
TPS, yeah,
It is
okay.
fine. Fitting here.
Yeah, it's a 22 jack. Your normal TPS also is the same normally. Yeah.
The mask also you provide yourself.
Yes, mask is provided. It's in the store. We have medium.
The mask also disposable.
Actually, it's, you can clean it and reuse it. But
Reusable?
normally, if you have disposable mask, you can use a disposable. You normally use it for ventilators and all, right? The mask.
That
But
one we
with
have
this machine, we have supplied.
That normal BiPAP mask we can use for this.
Normal BiPAP.
In the mask, there are two types. Okay, one mask is a non-vented mask. Okay, which will be like doesn't have holes directly going to the patient. One is like vented. For this machine, you have to use vented mask because there is no exhalation port here. Right? So the exhalation should be from the vents of the mask. Right?
Understood.
I don't know that.
See, there are two types of masks. Okay, one is a vented mask, other one is non-vented mask. Non-vented mask means the patient cannot exhale from the mask. It has to go out from somewhere,
Okay.
like ventilator. It has got two holes, but this one has got only one hose. So the exhalation, because the flow is coming, the patient cannot exhale. So there should be some holes or somewhere on the mask.
Okay, like the CO2 should be gone.
Yeah, exactly.
Should be out. Because ventilator only this one.
Ventilator will, yeah, it has two tubes. One for inhalation, one for exhalation. This one only has one. So the mask should be vented.
So vented mask should be needed.
Yes, yes.
Vented mask.